So this is exactly how I was able to fix that my controller or gamepad is not working on Rust on my PC. So you can see it actually now works perfectly. And you can see the first thing I had to do is to make sure that I connected my controller here correctly to my PC. And I have a wired controller, but if you have a Bluetooth one, you have to turn it around and make sure that the flicker here is set to Bluetooth. So if you have a flicker here, set it to Bluetooth and then connect it to your PC via Bluetooth and make sure that it's connected correctly, of course. Now, after you have done so, then what we need to do, I'm just gonna enter Steam here now. So after you have connected it to your PC, you need to also enter Steam. And then on Steam, click on Rust here, and then click on Controller. You're gonna say Controller not supported, but don't worry. Just click on View Controller Settings here, and then click on Enable Steam Input. You will see it right here, basically. And then you can also choose in here, Community Layouts, because this is basically communities that have created the perfect layout for your controller so it works in Rust. So just get one that has a lot of upvotes. You can see I got this one because this works perfectly. So I got this one and then I'm able to use that specific layout. And then you can just go into Rust once again and it should now work. And that is basically exactly how I was able to fix it myself.